Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Guille, Shredding with me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about vibrato. The importance of vibrato on electric guitar. Very important, man. It's your distinctive sound. People are going to recognize you for your vibrato. For example, if you listen to a guitar player like Kirk Hammett from Metallica, you immediately will know it's him. The same case is with Marty Friedman, all the greats, Yngwie Malmsteen, Gary Moore, Brian May from Queen, all these people, John Sykes, everybody's all these guitar heroes you can identify them by their vibrato and their style, of course. But we're gonna focus on today's episode on talking about this important subject and show reel. Welcome back to another episode. Please subscribe and leave your comments down below. So today we're going to talk about vibrato. Vibrato, it's to a guitar player, it's for a singer, distinctive sound. You can, for example, listen to Whitney Houston. Of course, it's her tone and everything, but her vibrato is very distinctive. The same thing with Mariah Carey. So it's the same with guitar players, So what you want, this is a very personal matter, but there are some little guides that you can follow to develop your own. So, for example, one of them is have a good grip of the string, and using more than one finger will help you to achieve that and work not that hard. So, for example, here we're playing here on the 15th fret. That's vibrato there. You can use the index finger too. Another good thing is to have a good grip of the neck of the guitar. You can put your thumb in there. You can use as well the tremolo bar, but that gives you a different sound. For example. All right, that's another way of doing it with the tremolo bar. You're trying to avoid to sound like this, for example. Right? Maybe it could be cool for some phrases or something, but you're trying to play something beautiful, in a ballad, for example, a melody or something. You don't want to sound like that, like something out of pitch. That's another important thing. You got to be on pitch. Has to variate the form of the note, all right? Try to give a nice shape, all right? So that's what you're trying to do here. Two, it helps you to express, for example, it could be excitement. I put a pitch harmonic there, so to give like a different sound. There's other things like, for example, tension and release. For example, when you do it like, all right, I did the never-ending bend. You see? The other one that you could do with the whammy bar is the other one. That would sound more like a Steve Vai thing, You could do the cat if you have a floating tremolo, like that. To resume, what I'm trying to express on this video is, you gotta get your own vibrato, You can copy other guitar players' vibrato, but the thing is that you want to sound like you. You don't want to sound like somebody else. If you're listening to a song that you recorded, a solo that you recorded, you want everybody to recognize you, not recognize, oh, did this, I don't know, Guille recorded this album? No, you want your name, people recognizing who you are, all right? So that basically, have a good grip of the string, try to interpret what you want to hear, really, that's what it's all about. And don't be afraid of using the tremolo bar, using the fingers, have a good grip of the neck, and the sky's the limit. See you in another episode of Trading with Guille. Subscribe, and see you in another episode. Show reel.